Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 991 Sparky Singapore Final PCCA 2015 edition, and again this is by Sparky. And okay, let me first remove this polythene wrapper on top, and then we can talk more about it. Sparky does really some good castings with good detailing for a, nominal price if you ask me. Okay, this costed me around 1400. Not going to say no, but okay. So coloring competition, you can see here Michelin, Sparky, Chupa Chups. So that is the Chupa Chups logo on top of the car. So you can see here. Okay, let's open it. So this has acrylic case actually inside. Okay, that is pretty easy to open. That is also nice. Okay, it has this card here. Okay, let's put this in. Okay, so here is the casting. Wow, I don't think it has a screw here. It doesn't have. It does have a different kind of mechanism. I'm really hoping it doesn't have any screw. Okay, let's remove this acrylic case. Let me see how this one works. Okay. Honestly, I don't know how to remove this. Okay, got it. Oh, that is actually pretty nifty if you ask me. I mean, instead of having a screw, they put it in this way. That is really nice. But the only downside of this is you can't put any other car inside this display case. Only with this kind of groove here. Okay, let me just. Okay, there is nothing on the bottom apart from this lever kind of thing here. Okay, let's talk about this casting. Honestly, this is not heavy. This is a very light casting. The paint job on this one looks really nice. Yeah, it has acrylic inserts for headlights, and not much of a detailing here for the grills and everything. But the paint job is really, catchy and eye candy. So the rims are really nice. I mean, the tires are actually rubber. Let me just, yeah, just came out, it seems. This is definitely not going to roll, if you ask me. You can see that, there is a lot of irregularities on the tire. But overall, the casting looks good. So the body is metal, the spoiler is also metal, and the tail lights are just painted. It is not acrylic or anything. So okay, okay. I really don't know if the chassis is actually metal or plastic, but it feels plastic because it is not even heavy. The chassis has some good detailing to it, but it is plastic. It is not metal. Yeah, that is plastic. So it has rear view mirror details, which is really nice. It has the reflectors as well on that. So if you ask me, this is not really worth 1400, maybe around 800 rupees. It would be good around the green light series range. I mean, green light castings range. So, but the livery and detailing on this one looks really nice. The interior looks good. I mean, since it's a racing car, it has like seat only on the left side. I mean, this is a left-hand drive vehicle. It doesn't have any suspension. Okay, you can see the Adidas logo, Porsche Museum, everything. So let's see if we will try. It is not rolling at all. It's not going to roll. See, front wheel actually rolls, but the rear wheel not that much. think it is supposed to be a static model, I guess. But overall, it's a good casting. It's a beautiful casting, but it lacks a lot. It lacks some details here, like the acrylic tail lights and you know metal chassis and all. That could have been good if they added it. But apart from that, it's a beautiful casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.